Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Reels not sending. To know how to fix Instagram Reels not sending, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Sorry for that mistake here. Clear cache. And then you will click, when you will click force stop, you will go to storage and here click cache and then clear data, and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.